We are going to do 1.3, solving equations with variables on both sides. This should be a review. You should have done this in middle school, but we will go over a couple of them. So our goal is to isolate the variable still. Right now I have variables on both sides. I can do 4 different correct moves right here, but I'm going to recommend that we deal with the x's first because you tend to get less confused that way. You also tend to get less confused if you have the variable on the left. So let's get rid of this one on the right by subtracting it. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. I have 4x minus 3 equals 13. Now it's just a two-step like we've been doing. So I can add the 3 to both sides, get 4x equals 16. Our last step is always to divide. So I'm going to divide by 4, x equals 4. Now you don't have to wonder if your answer's right. I want to show you how you can check it if you so desire. So we're going to write down the original equation, but 6x instead of x, I'm going to put these parentheses, minus 3 equals 2x plus 13. So instead of x, let's substitute what we said x is. Put that in a different color. We're going to substitute the 4 because that's what we think x is. Then we're going to do the math and see, is 4 actually the value of x that makes this a true statement? Well, it makes this 21 and this 21. That is a true statement. So yes, my answer checks. Let's try one more. I have 2 x's on each side and constants on each side. So let's take away one of the x's, and I get 6x plus 7 equals, bring that minus down as a negative, negative 5. So now it's your two-step where you want to subtract the 7. 6x equals negative 12. And your last step is always to divide. X equals negative 2. Let's check our answer by writing down the original without the x. Let's substitute our negative 2 because that's what we got for x. We get that negative 11 equals negative 11. Yes, that's true. So negative 2 is my answer.